Good morning, dear children. Today we are going to study lesson number 5, using computer, do's and don'ts of computer. So in this chapter we'll study that how we can keep our computer safe and we can keep ourselves also safe. Now here we'll study that about the computer, that computer operates on electricity. It is an electronic device, hence it requires some safety precautions, because whenever we are using any type of electronic device, then we have to keep ourselves safe. For that we have to follow the safety rules, otherwise accidents can happen or it can damage the device also, or it can harmful for you also. So that is why whenever we use any electronic device which works with electricity, then we have to follow some safety precautions that we are going to study about the computer. So first we'll study that what we can do for the computer, do's of computer. The first point we have to do, that is keep your computer dust free, keep your computer room neat and tidy, cover the computer when it is not in use. In the picture you are seeing that when computer you are not using, you have to cover it. When you are opening the cover of the computer, the first thing you will do before working, that is you have to clean the computer with a dry cotton cloth. Next thing you have to do, that is whenever you are working in a computer, you have to be very polite. You will not fight with your classmate, and if you are at home, you are working with your siblings, then also you don't fight. Wait for your turn and share the computer so that both of you can get a chance and you can work on the computer. Next point is that always keep mouse on a mouse pad. You all are seeing now here we have orange color mouse pad. On that we are keeping the mouse. Why we are keeping mouse on a mouse pad? Because mouse works very smoothly on a mouse pad. Now next point is that you sit straight. Always sit straight. Keep your posture correct when you are working in a computer. You are seeing here two pictures are there. In that picture one boy is sitting, that her back is bent, and here the back is straight. So when you will sit straight in front of the computer, it is good for you. So otherwise you will get back pain. So always sit straight in front of a computer in your chair. Now next is that whenever any teacher or any elder is giving you any instruction regarding uses of a computer, you have to be very attentive. Listen all the instructions very carefully, otherwise I already told you that it is an electronic device and accidents can happen. So whenever you are working in a computer, always follow the instructions which are given by your teachers or it is given by your elder. Never misuse anything. Without asking a teacher or elder, no need to use anything. Now if a teacher or any elder is telling you to move a computer from one place to another, take help from others also, and always unplug all the wires and then only you move it from one place to another. Otherwise all the cable will get triple and it will cause an accident. Now till here we have completed that what are the do's of a computer we have to follow. Now we will study that what are the don'ts for using a computer. While working on a computer, what are the things we don't have to do when we are working in a computer? That is the first thing we have to do, that is don'ts for using a computer. The first thing which we'll study, that is do not eat or drink near or an a computer table. In computer room also or near the computer also, no need to eat or drink. Otherwise small particles of anything will go inside the keyboard or in any other part of a computer and it can damage that particular part. That is why do not eat or drink near a computer or a computer table. Never switch off the main power supply button directly without shutting down the computer. Like you are seeing in this picture, what in this picture is showing that it's switching off the button without shutting down the computer. So never do this. Always follow the steps to shut down the computer, and then you can off the main power supply. And while the computer is working, never touch it with your wet hands. Now in this picture you are seeing that this girl is touching the button of a monitor with the wet hands, and when you will touch it with wet hands, maybe you can get a shock. So never touch it with wet hands. And while working in a computer, never take out the main power supply directly, otherwise again you can get a shock. So this you never do with a computer. Do not sit too close to the monitor, they may harm your eyes. When you are sitting straight, already we have learned that what we have to do, we have to sit straight. And when we are sitting straight, our eyes are far from the computer. But when you will not sit straight, your eyes are too close to the computer and they can harm your eyes. So always sit far from the computer. Always sit 50 centimeter far from the computer. Next is that do not press the keys roughly, as it may damage the computer. While doing the typing work, never press the keys very roughly, otherwise keys will come out and your keyboard will get damaged. So while working in a computer, always press it very smoothly and properly, so that no harm can happen or no damage can happen to the keyboard. Otherwise your keyboard will be damaged. Or while typing the password, when you are typing password, we are using internet, never show your password or never share your password with anyone, because others can hack your computer and they can take your data which is saved in your computer. So in this way, all these instructions you have to follow to keep the computer safe. Now here it is, never disclose your password to any outsider while working on the internet, otherwise the person will hack your computer and all the important data which you have saved in your computer, that will be hacked and they can use it for their purpose. Now next we will study that what are the now here it is given that if any wire has come out, ask your teacher to put it back. Do not put fingers into any slot, otherwise again you will get a shock. If computer is working, do not take out any wire and do not put your finger inside any of the block which is given in the CPU or given in the laptop, otherwise you can get a shock. Any slot, USB slots are given there, never put your finger on that while the computer is on. Now the topic which we study, that is precautions for handling a CD. What are the precautions you have to take when you are handling a CD? This is a picture of a CD, and when you are using this CD, no need to try to bend it. Okay, other when you will bend it, it will break. So do not try to bend it. Keep away your CD from direct sunlight. Never keep your CDs where the sunlight comes directly. You always keep it in a case. We are getting a CD case also. In that case you can keep your CDs so that it will be safe. Now do not scratch anything. If you will scratch on this place, and after scratching if you will put it in the CD player, the CD will not run because it is damaged. So in this way CD can get damaged. So always whenever you are using a CD, always keep it in a proper place where direct sunlight doesn't come. Do not scratch it and keep it in a storage case. Never touch the inner surface. This inner surface you never touch with wet hands or with a dirty hands, otherwise it can also damage your CD. And do not use any writing instrument. You do not use any writing instrument on this part, otherwise what will happen, this area will get damaged and data, whatever data is saved in the CD, you cannot able to read it. So if you want to use your CD for many days or for the larger time, you don't have to put a scratch mark on that with a very sharp object. So till here we have completed lesson number 5. I hope all of you will understand by seeing this video. If after seeing this video, read the chapter so that very easily you can able to understand. Thank you. Have a nice day to all of you. Thank you.